Okay, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So, today has been a fantastic day with some threats of moves happening. I called it threats of moves because the moves have not been substantial. Yeah, it's been happening, but then the moves, it's been, dragging. We've not seen quite, a big, yeah, we've seen a big drop. By the way, let's not deny the fact. From here till here is about 11,000, until here is 70. Yeah, 17,000 is quite huge. It's quite a huge drop. So we gotta give it to the market for moving this much today. Okay, so having said that, let's just mark out the very crucial levels. Please call my attention in case anything is going wrong. By anything I mean, perhaps it could be video is not behaving itself. Any sort of tech error you notice, please call out so that I can switch my devices immediately. I think that's what I'm using to mitigate these things now. Okay, I don't have time for these delays anymore. So I've marked out very important levels. So I don't know how price is going to behave around here, so I better be very careful around here. It makes sense if I become so careful around here. Okay, sorry about that break. So what we are looking out for now is, after this long, very long, interesting move, we expect market to at least get back to this level or this level to, for move downside, for that move downside to continue. So that is what we're expecting to see now. So marking this level, I could say that this level is a level of interest whereby we expect a retest of this level and a sell-off, right? So really, sincerely speaking, I don't have a bias for buys today. I don't think I'm going to buy it today. Okay, even if price crosses here and it keeps going up, I may have to skip it. I'm not in the mood to buy, right? So it is actually possible for price to go turn up and keep going up, and stuff like that. Okay, it is very possible, but what I'm respecting now is that this daily right here, this low, the low of yesterday has been broken, right? It has been broken, so I rather stay away from trade than to take buys, whereby I'm going to take buy and then price is going to reverse, right? Having broken this level, okay, this which is 11536. So we expect price to continue going down, but then with a little bit of retracement, either it comes here or it gets into this range completely, okay, or it gets into this range completely, then forms some consolidation and then break out and keep going down. Okay, so this is what may happen afterwards. But at the moment, what I'm after now is about 20 to 30 pips. That's what I'm actually after right now. 20 to 30 pips just to conclude my day. So if you follow me a lot, if you're an ardent follower, you must have made some profits today, because here I posted this very early, 9 hours ago. I posted this, right? Immediately after posting this, look at how it played out, right? Just after I posted it, it started playing out, right? So if you follow me and you understand how I trade, you must have made a lot of money from here. Okay, congrats to everyone that took the trades today. So what I say is that, see what I'm thinking, okay? Let me just think out so loud. So thinking out so loud, I say that this 4 hours right candle right here is getting you know, this particular 4 hours we are trying to, you know, retest whatever level it has broken and stuff like that, because it broke out of a very important level. Imagine breaking out of this level, breaking out even below, going below this very dangerous week that we saw yesterday. Everything, it broke every you know, without even engaging them in a fight or something. Okay, so price is actually ought to come and retest, if possible, even up to this level. Okay, price is supposed to go even up to 11591. Okay, up to this level. What is happening up to this level? Okay, this level, I mean, this is a range. Okay, so just in case if you stop hearing from me, then something must have cut off from my network or something. Okay, all right, let's make things very fair, very nice as well. You can see clearly that this level is a level of interest, very interesting level. Let's see this again. Yes. I think something is happening here, guys. What is actually happening here is this is a very important level, in the sense that I think I need to mark out this level, but let me see this level in 30 minutes and see. It's quite a very interesting level, because that this level price is going to go back from here. I think it has gone back already, right? So we're expecting a breakout to the opposite side of this candle, of this current candle. So it's a very interesting level. The low of yesterday, the low of yesterday's week or whatever, okay, it was broken today, and then this candle came to retest the low of yesterday, right? So that it can continue. Don't forget, price moves in waves. It moves in waves like this. See, this is part of the waves, right? You can, if you any day you start getting price movement like this, then what the world is about to end. Okay, any day you start getting price movement like this, just like this, the world is about to end. The money you are making in that trade, you're not going to ever, before you eat it, before you spend it, the world is going to perish. It's never going to happen. Okay, it's going to move in waves so that people will gain and people will lose. Okay, that's the idea. So what am I looking for today? At exactly 5 p.m. that is, you can see my time. I'm saying 5 p.m. because I believe everyone here can see my time. This is my time. Okay, this is already 4:55, so at exactly 5 p.m. what I expect to happen is, you know, for price to continue going down. Okay, but then we have to hold on to our normal usual confirmation, which is NYSE open. Okay, that is something we have to hold on to. Okay, so let me stop moving around and finish my drawing so that we can make some profits, right? Today has been so nice for me. It's been a nice day. Don't know about you guys. For me, it's been awesome. So I could score this as well. A sell point is a sell point of interest. Okay, this is retest and sell. This one is sell below. Okay, it's actually a retest and closure below. Yeah, it's a retest and closure. Both of them are point of interest. We can sell here, we can sell here as well. Okay, both of them we can sell at both levels. Today, if you see me buy, don't take the trade. If you see me buy, then something got into me that I couldn't control, I couldn't resist. That's why I'm buying. It's all sell. If I don't get a sell position, then I'm out of the market. I don't want to buy today. I don't feel like buying today. I don't feel like today is a good time to buy. Why do I feel this way? Because you remember this fight has been going on since 29th, right? It's been going on. There's been a fight here, whether the bulls will have it or the bears will have it or the bulls will have it. Oh my god, the bears may have it. Oh my god, the bulls may have it. Stuff like this has been happening until finally this morning I was able to catch it. I'm confessing, I was able to catch it. I saw this setup. I saw this some fantastic setup right here. Okay, I decided to get in here and then I think I put my stop loss somewhere here, and then I took everything here, like everything. I got out here. This happened, and I took again here from here to here, and I got out again. So I'm not gonna lie to you. I took the trade. I saw it happening, and I took it. Okay, finally I took it. So let's see if we can get some end points here. Finish them here. You can finish, get some fantastic entry here. Guys, don't feel bad about this. I knew this was going to happen. Like I think when I saw this, I told my wife this is going to reverse. I knew this was going to happen, but then I didn't get in because it's not my strategy. If I take this trade now, am I going to be able to take it again the next day? Is this something I'm going to be able to replicate? The answer is no. So why should I take it? So these are the things I ask myself first. Am I going to be able to replicate this trade next time? The answer is no. So I better stay away, right? So that's why I didn't take this. But I knew this was going to happen because I was expecting it to either happen here or here, because this guy does not have a wick. There's no wick, so I knew it was going to price. It was going to drive price down back to retest itself, right? So let us see how this plays out, how it plays out. I feel I should actually move this. This is 30 minutes, right? Let me move this. Let me just respect my father and my mother here, right? I should move this down here because that's the place it should be. That is the right place it should be, right? So this is a sell. This is our initial partials, 50 to 80%. Okay, let's get into 1 hour to see. This is going to be my final target today. I'm going to tell you why. This is going to be my final target today. Okay, so this is going to be my target. It is going to be my target because you see all this setup? I don't trust it. This is order block on top of order block on top of order block on top of order block. So this is dangerous zone. Okay, price is going to so consolidate around here. Mark this zone, guys. Price may penetrate this for the first time, but after penetration it will cancel that penetration and begin to form some magic here. I've seen this kind of setup somewhere, and it's quite a bad one, terrible one. This is a very terrible setup. You don't pray to get trapped in this. It's full of obstacles. You can see very big obstacles, up and down, obstacle, 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 again, obstacle, obstacle. I mean, a lot of obstacles here. Don't avoid setups like this, please. So that is why our final target is going to be here. I'm all sales today. If buy happens, let it happen. I don't care. Okay, if buys happen today, then it's not my day. I'm going to get out. Okay, time to shout out to people. Hello, Isela. Good morning to you too, Mr. Relax Sleep. Good morning. Good to have you around. How are you doing, sir? I hope you are doing awesome. Who else is joining us, guys? You can drop your names. If I don't know your name, say hi so that we can give you some shout out. Okay. Okay, let's see what is price doing. I don't know. I doesn't know. I didn't know. Yep, I'm doing great. Thank you. Let's make some money. Ho ho ho. Yes, my dear, let's make some money. Prompto. We have new 30 minutes forming here. So my guess is that this 30 minutes right here is going to retest some area here to gather some energy, some volume, some liquidity, and then keep going down. Okay, that is my guess. Nobody's sure whether it's going to happen or not, so let's hope it happens so that we can make some money and get the hell out. If I see some opportunity to for buys, then I'm gonna recommend to anyone watching to buy, but then I'm not gonna buy. Okay, today is not my buys, but I could actually recommend. I think there's no news today that could affect the market. News or no news, my friend, NYSE open comes with volume. Go back to my previous videos and see for yourself. Okay, news or no news, NYSE just like New York New York open. Yeah, New York open comes with some New York and pre-New York comes with volume. That is the same way NYSE comes with volume. Okay, I'm going to show you a little bit. So here we go. Okay, so 1 second. This news right here, I just got online and this news happened, right? So, and this actually prompted the news actually prompted this move right here, 65 pips. So if I were online before this news happened, 100% I would have taken this. I would have taken this trade, whereby the break of this is an opportunity for me, and I'm going to get out at this level, at where you can see my cursor, right? I'm going to mark that level as my out. See the same level. See the same level. That was where the market reversed. The price reversed. Sorry. So if I were here before that time, I just got in at 430, and I was already seeing this move exceeding here. I mean, I can't just get in and just enter impulsively. I mean, that is suicidal, man. Because you don't know what price is doing. You need to understand what market is doing before you get in. So we wait, guys. We wait patiently. We wait. Guys, make sure you're liking the video. Be liking the video. Be a liker. Be a supporter. Go to the description. There's a link there where you can donate. Donate to us. At least let's use it to feed the poor. Okay. I'm not going to guarantee you that I'm going to use it and feed the poor. I may use it to buy petrol these days because petrol is quite expensive now. But you can go ahead and donate at least. Hello, great day, Kiki. How are you? Good to have you online, Kiki. Glad you joined. So there's nothing strange about today. Today is just like every other day. So what we're going to do is these 30 minutes, if it closes, okay, and if we are able to secure a break of this before it closes anyway, I mean after it closes, okay, if the next 30 minutes forms and this low is broken, then we may see move to the downside to the move that is worth about 77 pips. Is more than enough for one day, guys. It's more than enough already, right? Because after this whole move here, I don't think we're gonna get like a crazy move, out of the market for the day. But it may come. By the way, this is NAS. We're talking about NAS that moves when everyone is sleeping. That's a pretty crazy current asset to trade. When you are sleeping, that's the best time for NAS to move. I'm not sure why. This to me is looking so tricky. Tricky. Because what if price keeps going up? Well, it's not. This is not. There's no magic. I'm only concerned about this. This is a very important stuff happening right here. Okay, this is a very important stuff happening right here. So this range is gonna be tough. That's what I see. I mean, it's one thing for me to say, and there's another thing for it to happen, right? Look at what happened here. Look at this. My grandfathers. This is grandfathers of week rejection. Grandfather week rejection. Okay. Can you see the effect it had here? This is I think this is called redistribution. This is called redistribution, right? And for the people that for the guys that did some distribution stuff, this is distribution. Yes, am I right? This is distribution. I mean, I've forgotten how to define this, but I know it has to do with distribution, redistribution, accumulation, reaccumulation, stuff like that. Okay, so good morning, Leonie, for real. Thanks for joining. I'm glad you are here. It's good to have you. I like these people so much. Why? Because they're prepared to either make money with me or lose money with me. Of course, if they are not making money with me, they are not going to come back, I'm sure. Okay. So what is going to happen now? I don't know. I doesn't know. I didn't know. Okay, let's hope this forms as a significant area because of what? Because of this. This is yesterday's low. This is yesterday's low. Complete yesterday's low. It was broken by this guy first, then they closed back inside again, finally broken by this, and then the move continued until here, then some retest of that same level, then continuation, and again another retest. I say this is gonna price is gonna continue to move down. I say price is gonna continue to move down. That's what I say. So let's see whether it's gonna happen or not. Okay, looks most likely that's gonna happen. Looks so. Perhaps this break of this level, markets makers are, smart money traders are moving money back to this zone, other block, so that they will get in. They will now load positions. They will load positions. If it's possible, they might do something like called manipulation. They will manipulate by pushing price up. Hello. I hope you guys can hear me now. Sorry, I've been trying to talk, but then for some reasons my mic is having some issues. Please let me know if you can hear me now, everyone. Can you guys hear me now? Thank you so much for confirming. So we are 10 minutes away from NYSE open. What I don't understand is why price these bars, they are not giving us some sort of opportunity to at least plan some trades. Nothing, like nothing, completely nothing, you know. So the target we can actually set is somewhere around here. Like I said initially, the break of this low, means that we may have ourselves in bearish market, right? So this remains our entry, just in case my mic decides to disappoint again. This is going to remain our entry. That is only and only if NYSE opens. If it comes down, if price decides to come down now, I'm going to remove this entry here. Okay, if NYSE opens, then this becomes our entry. Okay, I really don't want to take any trade with 15 minutes because it's not it doesn't have good confirmation. So if just as a note of as education for us all, if price should break the high of the previous 4 hours, if the high of the previous 4 hours is broken, then there is at least 60 to 90% chance that price will continue to move up until this level, or it may even exceed this level to this level. Okay, so let's expect anything to happen. For myself, I may tell you to buy, but I'm not going to buy anything today. Today is all about sales for me. Okay, I'm not going to buy nothing today. Nothing. I'm not going to buy anything today. If you want to buy, I'm going to tell you when to buy, but just make sure you're risking appropriately so that you don't lose your money. Okay, I'm just looking for something like this, man. I just want to see. This is a very nice setup right here. This is the grandfather of all setups. This is the grandfather of all setups. Just know that today. Go to your NAS100, go to 15 minutes. When you go to 15 minutes, open today's date, 30th of June, and go to 8:30. Observe what happened from there. from 8:30 a.m. Okay, sorry, 8:30 a.m. Dubai time. Just observe what happened from there. It's magical. That is grandfather of four setups. So we are 7 minutes away from NYSE open. Is price gonna move up or down? Can the sell reach 11400? 11400? My dear, it is very possible, okay? It's like, did you get into any position around here on the in the days past? Yes, sell is gonna get there, no doubt. Okay, it's gonna get there if this level is broken, 11477 is broken, then this 77 we're gonna enjoy the profits of this 77. 77 to 01 means 77 pips, right? 76 pips. So we're gonna enjoy it. But then I need everyone to get in with signal, okay? If you hear me say open, open. If you hear me say close, please close, because after I say close, I have closed mine already. Okay? So if anything happens from there on, I'm not responsible. Okay? My advice to everyone every time, every day is to use what? Proper risk management. Your success in Forex is going to be determined by how you implement risk management. After you have learned risk management, another thing you should consider is trade management. When to close partials, because 90% of the times partials is going to be the money you are making. 10% of the time is when you're going to be making long wicks like this, like very long wicks. Okay, I mean very long flow like this, right? This is called wave. Okay, so let me not forget to mention that today I took a trade with in this asset. I took a trade here. I took a trade. I got into a position in NAS100 at the same time with German index at this level, and I took all these pips. Okay, and secondly, when this happened, I got in somewhere here again, and then I took this, price went up and continued going down. I got out somewhere here. Okay, the same thing, I traded this same thing on NAS, so I did some double profiting today. It was awesome, guys. It felt heavenly. Okay, I got my entry. I think I gave you guys wrong stuff. I got my entry from 4 hours. I opened my 4 hours and I saw this setup. This is great grandfather of all setups. Great grandfather of all setups. This is it. Great grandfather. When you see this, I call this bearish forces. This is bearish forces, right? The break of this nonsense they are doing here is going to cause candle to go down. So the moment I saw this, I got in here. No, was it? Yeah, exactly. It was about to end when I got in. This opened by 5 a.m. but then I got in around 8. Okay, and it flowed down. It was awesome. It felt nice, you know. So we have a few minutes. Sometimes Sam the man. It's good. I'm seeing you for the first time. Welcome. Thanks for joining us. So what is price gonna do? Let's go back to 4 hours. 4 hours high is not broken. 1 hour, previous 1 hour high is not broken. Previous 30 minutes high is not broken. So these three things, nothing is broken. So in the next 1 minute or thereabout, or 2 minutes, if this high is broken, I'm not going to take trade anyway, but if you can take trade, it's okay. Okay, if you can take trade from here, the break above this current 30 minutes until 11591 is about 50 pips, 56 pips. Anyone that wants to take it can go ahead and take it. If this level, which is 11536, is broken, it means that we have to look out for sells from 11591. Okay, if this level is broken, I don't think this level is going to be broken. Even if it gets broken, it will turn back down. Okay, but I doubt if this level is going to be broken. I don't know. I mean, let's see what's going to happen. Okay, guys, I'm not a magician. I'm just saying based on experience. I'm just saying all this shit that I'm saying based on experience. So if we don't get a turnaround from this point that has been touched, then we're going to get a turnaround from this point. So if you want to buy, make sure if you are buying, make sure you don't wait for price to hit 115. Price may not hit 11591. Okay, once you are buying, price may not hit that level, or price may hit it and exceed. You know, I'm just saying things, you know, I'm just saying things based on imagination, because this is a very strong level. Price cannot just go and exceed that level, right? So guys, in 10 seconds we can decide our fate. Do not forget, this level is the level I'm looking at to continue selling. 11479.06 is the level I'm looking at to continue selling. Time is now. So I didn't say open position, no. Allow price to play, allow price to play, allow it to play. If it keeps going up, let it keep going up. I don't care. I'm not going to take any trade. If price continues to move up, it's okay. I'm aligned. I'm not going to take nothing. I'm only sell bias today. Good for it. So for those of us that want to buy, if you want to buy, it's up to you. I don't have any conviction to buy. Nothing. No single conviction to buy. If you want to buy, you can go ahead and buy, but make sure you exit before 11591. Otherwise, you'll be trapped. I may be wrong anyway, so just follow your strategy. If it says buy, please go ahead and buy. If it says sell, go ahead and do whatever your strategy says. Okay, previous 4 hours high is broken for some reasons, so now it's looking as if I'm not going to trade today. Previous 4 hours candle has been broken. And you know what happens when the high is broken and the other side is not broken? It becomes very impossible for you to make profit if you decide to go the opposite direction. But then magic could still happen. I'm going to maintain this because this is just could be a retest, right? I'm going to maintain this level because this could be a retest. If you can secure a closure, a cross of this level, let me set my trade accordingly. Guys, I'm setting my trade already. My trade is below there. I may be right, I may be wrong, but I prefer to be wrong than to get into the wrong trade. I think you should tell yourself that stuff like that every day. Be wrong. It's okay for you to be wrong and miss a trade than for you to get into a wrong trade. It's going to kill your morale completely. If I were trading 15 minutes, like, you know, if I had enough trust in 15 minutes, this is a good entry. Okay, for those of us that normally trade with small time frame, you can actually go in from here, put your stop loss above. Okay, so for me it's gonna be from here. Guys, can you see what's happening here? It's 3 pips, but man, the reward is quite small. What to do? The reward is quite small. Guys, you have to take this away, like give it 1 pip down, please. Do not fall a victim of all these scams. Okay, give it 1 pip below. If you are in already, make sure you have a very tight stop loss. 80 pips, yeah, it's too much for 71 pips, but sorry, that is the strategy. Sometimes we get some sort of 50 pips for 200 pips. Okay, sometimes we risk 50 pips for 200 pips profit. So today unfortunately we have 80 pips. So if you don't have the energy, you know, the volume to, I mean the power, by power I mean money, to trade that to trade with 80 pips stop loss, then please stay away from the market. Okay, that's a humble request. Stay away from the market so I don't blame Kingsley for giving you wrong direction. Okay, so you can see my order did not get triggered. This is my sell stop right there. It wasn't touched. Okay, I wasn't triggered. I'm not in. I'm waiting for price to break below. If it breaks below, fine for me. Let's hope price will go down. Let's just hope, and we hope just with good faith that we may see this level. But then I'm gonna close at this, my take profit, initial take profit level. I mean at this my first concluded targets, initially concluded target. I'm going to close about 90%, 50% here, 40% here. I'm going to let the 10% run. Okay, that is the plan. That is if our position gets triggered. So the points are there for you on the screen, just for your visuals. Get the points onto your MetaTrader and be ready with them. If you're already in the trade, there's nothing to worry about. Just make sure you have your stop loss at 11562. Okay, make sure to have your stop loss at 11562, because that is where we expect to be a turnaround point for this trade. So I'm going to delete this line because it's no longer useful, since we have our, I don't know what the hell is this called, short position whatever indicator. What is this called, guys? Can somebody please type, because I don't know what's this guy, this thing, what is it called, this thing, what is it called? I don't know what this thing is called. Okay, price is getting closer and closer to our position, to our order. Is it gonna feel? Yes, guys, oops, please and please, whatever thing is, if it's R or L, please don't go back again. Price, don't go back again, so that we can have some fun, please. I have some new guys here, let them make money today. Okay, the spirit of profit come upon us. Like I said, if you trade with 15 minutes, the best place to have opened the position is right here. Okay, from there to this area is 30 pips already, right? But then, sorry, if I had seen this setup in 30 minutes, oh my god, I would have gone in with super power, you know. Okay, so first of all, do not forget my principles, 30 pips. So let's mark out my 30 pips. My 30 pips is somewhere here, right? So let's allow price some time to go to touch romance, you know, grab and drop our 30 pips. Then I can close and move my stop loss to break even. It's very critical, guys. It's very critical that we move it to break even. Okay, it makes sense that we secure some break even profits. 30 pips, we're waiting for 30 pips. Hopefully we're gonna see that. Yes, so price is going down as expected. My question is, to what end? This is yes, guys, so I'm closing 50%, guys. I just want you to see I'm closing 50%. Even if price goes back, I'm closing 50%. This is 50% closed. Okay, So to break even, so you can see clearly I have moved my stop to break even. So this is already a successful trade because we have closed 50%. Okay, this is already a successful trade because we have closed 50% and we have moved our stop loss to break even. So I think we're good today. If we are not good, you let me know. Okay, I'm not saying the price is not going to break here. If price goes back to hit our break even, okay, then we have to wait for another entry below here, below this level. Okay, but in the meantime, I have secured 50% of my positions, so the rest is just profits, like additional profits. I've made my profits already. The rest is just going to be an additional profits, right? So guys, can I get some likes here? I have only 7 likes. Can I get more likes, please? Guys, come on, we made some money, right? Can I get some likes, please? Let me get more likes, guys. Can I get some likes more? So if price gets to 11400, I'm going to close additional 40%, okay? Additional 40%, then I'm going to leave 10% to run and see if it's going to reach 11322. Otherwise, I'm going to let everything go back to break even, then we'll call it a day. Nice, I can see my friend. I don't know. Please, can you write the meaning? Can you transcribe your name in English? At least let me call you by your name every time you comment. Guys, if you made money, please let us know and in comments. Like, please. Like. Show some love here. I have got only 10 likes. I have 14 viewers here. For the first time on a live stream, we had 15 viewers today for the first time on this live stream. Congrats to everyone that joined. This is our trading pattern. We secure a position, close out 30 at when price gives us 30 when we earn 30 pips profit, we close at 50%, and then towards 80%, I mean towards perhaps 80 pips to 100 pips, we close out 80 to 75 to 80% more. Okay, and then moving forward, we may leave others to run till take profit, or goes back to BE, or decide to run forever. I mean, what matters is that we have secured our profits, right? So to everyone that secured profits today using this trade, really, I'm so proud of you. Okay, very proud of you for securing profits. Look at this. I mean, look at, is this not wonderful, guys? Is this not awesome? Oh my god, this is all profits, guys. Tell your friends about us. Let's make some money together. Bring them here, okay? I don't know what price is doing, so what I'm gonna do, I don't want to wait and see. I'm just gonna close. Half of this. That's 25% more. That is 6.25. Right? Close. Oops. See? Easy peasy. Yes, dear. NAS just got murdered. Yes, you're right. NAS just got murdered. Yep. So guys, please, if you are still not closed, if you have still not closed any partials, please close. Do not get me wrong, guys. Something is up here. Something is happening here. Okay. What is happening? What's happening here is that price may likely see 11322 1, and price may likely exceed 11322 and meet what? And meet this level today. Price may likely see 11162 today because of what? Because this is what we call redistribution. This is redistribution. No. Why am I saying shit? Let's just distribution. Let's just go through some classes. So guys, leave that trade, take your eyes away from that trade. Let's do some classes, please. Take your eyes away from that. Let's just learn something so that we learn the right terminologies and stop committing blunders. I'm so knowledgeable. I love knowledge so much. If my wife is on this stream, she's going to say this man is a liar. And I know she's there. Sweet, please, can you comment? Say something, let people know you, please. Okay, okay, let me find the settings. SDD. Oh, your name is SDD. All right, my friend SDD from China. XDD. So let's see. I actually have a translator here. Let's just use it. Rain, Mr. Rain. Your name is Rain, my good friend, okay? Kyle. Oh, Kyle K. But Google is telling us right here that your name is Rain, my friend. Kyle K, my good friend. It's good to know you, okay? I'm glad you joined us. And for this, my Dubai friend, let's find out. Man, perhaps we should arrange some sort of the expo, Forex Expo here in Dubai. What do you think? Oh, Balushi, Aziz Abaloshi. It's good to know you, man. Oh my God, man, price was just moving so bad now. Guys, please, I think we missed something. Guys. We missed something right here. I don't know, for some reasons. Remember when I told you that if we hit 11402, we're going to close up to 90%? I missed it. God damn it, guys. Come on, this is 30 pips, man. Come on. That's, by the way, what matters is the price has touched that level. So I'm going to close additional pips. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and close 3.25 right here. 3.25. Okay. Nice. So we are getting ready for the final take profit to happen. Man, really, I feel bad. Guys, I hope you have closed up to 90% of your trades. Don't hope on this stuff. I don't know the name of this stuff. Don't hope on it, okay? Always follow what I say, okay? Well, if you remember, this was supposed to be our final target, right? And my aim was to do what? Was to close up to 90% at this level, and then we end the stream. Whatever price once, let it do, right? And then we put our take profit right here. If price gets to this level, then we're good. Unfortunately, I mean, I was trying to be knowledgeable, and I lost out, but it's okay, it's part of the training. If you still have 100% of your lot size open in this trade, I don't know what to call you. I don't want to be rude to anyone, but it's not advisable. Okay, close at least 50%. Okay, so that, and make sure you move your stop loss to break even so that this trade becomes a risk-free trade for you. Okay, gentlemen. Yes, Kyle K. Aziz Al-Balushi. Are you still with us? Did you take the trade? My good friend Rain. Did you take the trade? Mr. Abdurrahman Filali. Relax Sleep Isela Kiki. Leonie Foray. Did anyone take the trade? Sagir. Sam Deman. Please let us know if you took the trade, okay? Thelma Chima. Thelma Chima. Let me not say anything. Let me not say anything. It's okay. Oh, nice, guys. Wow. Congrats, guys. Congrats, everyone. You didn't enter. Sam Demand. May we know the reason, please? Tell us. Yes. Kiki took some money home. Yep, I'm happy. Sam Demand, tell us why. You did. Perhaps you are trying to understand. Oh, okay. Relax Sleep. What the hell, man? Why would the electricity blackout when we're about to get into NYSE open, guys? Why would it do that to you? It's okay. Do not worry, my friend. You wait for tomorrow, okay? If you didn't take the trade, please don't expose your capital. Keep your capital. Have fun. Okay? Have fun. Keep your capital to yourself, because once I miss this my session, I would rather stay out unless I see a very strong confirmation like this. If I don't see confirmations like this, I would rather stay out. Okay? If I see confirmations like this, I'm gonna get in. Otherwise, I'm gonna wait for my NYSE open. If you've been with me for some time now, you're gonna know that I love NYSE open a lot. Okay? Thank you everyone for joining. Yes, took a trade, still open, and I have a tight stop loss. Fantastic, Isela. If you can, please close at least 80% of your positions, 80%, and let 30% run. Okay? FCA is watching you. XD. Please, I don't understand you. If you could please explain, huh? Federal Capital Authorities. I don't know what FCA means. Please, if you could please give us the meaning so I will. Are you from US federal government or what? Are you from bank or whatever? Are you a market maker? You want to deep dive and find out why we've been making some money for some time? Okay, guys, really I enjoyed camping with you guys today. It was fun. Do not forget, when I started this video, I said something very important, very significant. I said if we break this low, our target is what? 77 pips. Okay, I don't think it was from here. Breaking of this low, our target is going to be what? 77 pips, and this is our 77 pips right there, right? So I'm not going to close my position completely because I've milked it. I've removed every single thing that could give me loss. I've even made a lot of profits. Everything is gone. Okay, so if my trade eventually hits 11322, it's a plus for me. If it doesn't, it's still a plus for me, right? Because I've closed everything, right? So everyone, really, I couldn't wait. I want to take my son to the hospital, so I couldn't wait for this trade to know the outcome of this trade, because I already know that it has two possible outcomes. Either I win or I win. I mean, either I win or I win, right? So there is only one out of two. Either I win or I win. There's nothing like loss anymore in this trade, because I know the outcome. I'm going to leave it. I'm going to leave everyone. I really appreciate everyone, all the new joiners. I appreciate each and every one of you. Really, it gives me joy to know that people appreciate what I do. What you could help me do is to help me like my stream, like everything I do,
Follow me on all social media platform. My name is the same, PPP Drahams, on every single social media platform. And please do well to subscribe. Follow me everywhere. Let's make Forex markets great again. Okay? Thank you very much, everyone. Goodbye for now.